Hello, I'm Sam with Windy City Production, and it's time for a huge update to all our current, past, and potential clients. Hey, quick tip here. You can find all the video's topics conveniently timestamped along the bottom of this video. Also, please be sure to subscribe, which would ensure you catch all of our most recent weddings and, of course, updates. Okay, this video has a little something for everyone. Starting with all of our past WCP clients, you can take, of course, advantage of our free annual Christmas shoot, annual free headshot shoot, which will be coming up shortly, weekly free mini sessions with spring here just around the corner, and now our free maternity shoots. Yes, it's all 100% free. I'm guessing we're the only wedding vendor who is still adding value to you following your wedding day. You can easily schedule any such of these free shoots through our website, of course. Now, of course, moving on to our potential and current clients. We are committed to making 2021 our best year yet. And yes, we are looking to add more value than ever before. Now, as I like to say, talk is cheap. So here are a few updates that are in progress as we speak. Drones. Weather and, of course, airspace allowing, every video client, regardless of your package, will have the opportunity to mix in drone coverage. I personally will be using the latest drones and techniques to take your wedding video to a whole new level. The techniques I'll be putting in place, of course, this summer are unlike any other. As I like to say, my objective is to make your video unique, right? Long story short, my drone shots will be unlike any other videographers and anything you've really seen in the wedding industry, and that's what's got me so excited. Second shooters. Truth be told, the majority of our associate packages before COVID hit had a free second shooter. I'm hoping to do the same throughout 2021. Yes, there's a very good chance you'll have a second shooter free of charge on your wedding day. Also, before COVID hit, if Katie or myself did not have a wedding on any specific given weekend, we would be personally out shooting any associate weddings. It was rare, but a huge blessing to any couples who were so lucky to have Katie or myself personally shoot their associate package wedding. Know this, if I don't have a wedding with my name on the contract, I will not be sitting at home, but rather prefer to be out and shooting. Maybe you'll find yourself being one of those lucky few that end up with Katie or myself personally shooting your associate wedding this year. Associate edits. Over the past 2 years, Katie and I have edited every single wedding, regardless what package you went with. This year, Katie and I are planning on doing the overwhelming majority of the edits, regardless what package you go with. For us, it allows us to help grow our associates, giving them direct feedback, being that Katie and I are the ones personally editing their weddings, right? Regardless, we have and always will oversee any photo gallery and or video before delivering it, of course, to the client to ensure that it meets mine and Katie's standards. Day of edit premieres. Yes, there's going to be some upgrades there. Late last year, I finally got my hands on the investment I made in some very unique gear. Let's just say your premiere will have a little bit more bang to it, of course, wedding venue willing, right? For those unaware of what a day of edit premiere is, let me help. I have over the past 2 years, except for just a very small handful of weddings, personally edited and premiered a short highlight film on their actual wedding day. Yes, you're absolutely right. It was fully edited and featured for their guests to witness, right? It's a one-of-a-kind experience. Now, unfortunately, I'm the only team member who can pull off this. And from what I know, I'm the only individual shooter who pulls this off on a daily, nightly routine here in the U.S. If you want to ensure a day of edit happens on your wedding day, be sure to request it at your final meeting with me. So we cannot ignore the 2021 bonuses and gifts. Yes, you're absolutely going to love this. Every single photo package is getting a free 10x10 Romantics wedding album. This might be new news to you, and you're going to love it. Also, every video client is getting a free tablet with their wedding cinema on it. Of course, every video client has the option as well to take advantage of what we call our free pre-shoots, which would ensure that we get some killer drone footage of you and, yes, your hubby. Every single Sam or Katie video package client also has the option to take advantage of the free morning groom shoot, right? Now, these are all huge pros, and I highly, highly recommend that you take advantage of them, right? As you can tell, there's a whole lot going on here, of course, at Windy City Production. And yes, our pricing and packaging doesn't reflect all the free bonuses and gifts. And that's, of course, a huge pro when working here with Windy City Production. Ultimately, we go above and beyond and believe we add more value than any other company in the industry. Finally, I want to reiterate, of course, our COVID-19 policy, because I believe we have hands down the best response period. So let's dig into that COVID-19 response. Once again, I cannot reiterate this strong enough. We did this throughout last year, and we're going to continue to do it throughout 2021. And that is, of course, God forbid, but if you are forced to, of course, reschedule your wedding day, let us know your new date as soon as possible. As long as there's no scheduling conflicts, no issue. We're literally going to move your old deposit to the new date and, of course, have you sign a new contract. Now, in the unfortunate event where maybe that new date is fully booked up, obviously we can't shoot your wedding day, but we're going to fully refund your deposit. No questions asked, right? I can't reiterate that enough. We've been very adamant about that and letting our clients know that they're working with the best. Now, of course, I definitely want to tackle too, what are the next steps for you as a current client, right? One, definitely make sure you're following us, whether it be on Facebook or Instagram. Highly, highly recommend that so that way you can keep up with all the weddings we're shooting. We have not stopped shooting. We've probably shot more weddings than probably 99% of the photographers and videographers in the industry, and that shouldn't surprise you. Also, for you brides and grooms, highly, highly recommend start pinning, whether we're your photographer or not. I can't tell you how helpful that is to have, of course, a Pinterest board with, of course, your inspirations. That really lets us know where you want to go with your photos as far as the coloring, the different styles, right? And that's going to be priceless to us. All right, with your wedding day just around the corner, I want to walk you through your next steps, of course. One, we highly, highly recommend filling out our wedding questionnaire, right? Two, once you have that wedding questionnaire filled out, look to schedule what we call our final meeting with you, right? That final meeting is extremely important for the team. That's going to be where whoever's shooting your wedding day, whether it's, Katie, myself, or the associates, are going to be able to sit down and really pick your mind and understand your full vision, right? Now, if you forget any of these, no worries. Your actual Google Calendar that we shared with you actually has all the links that would allow you to access, of course, the questionnaire and, of course, scheduling, whether it be a final payment or, yes, of course, that final meeting, right? And if that's not enough, you can always go back to our website. Within our website, you'll find all the very same links as well. Now, following your wedding day, once again, in the same email and on our website, you can find the link, of course, to make that final payment. But once again, just to reaffirm, highly, highly recommend first follow us. Make sure you're following us. Two, of course, start pinning to get, of course, your inspirations documented for us. Three, from there, look to schedule a final meeting, right? Now, don't forget, before scheduling your final meeting, make sure you fill out your wedding questionnaire, right? Now, that final meeting, remember, we actually recommend that you schedule between 3 to 6 weeks out. Anything too far out, once again, it might really throw a curveball, being that your plans might change, because that does happen quite often. We want to make sure we're all, of course, on the same page. With such ambitious goals for the year, we now need your help. We're taking the time to, of course, clearly outline who, what, where, and why we do what we do, of course, via our website, right? We also like to believe that we have liberated all of our clients, giving you the tools, scheduling links, and of course references to ensure that we're all on the very same page. Of course, we're here to help with any questions, but please be sure to, of course, pre-reference our facts page, being there's a really good chance we have already provided guidance to help you out from past brides. We've never been more excited for the wedding season and can't wait to tell your wedding day love story. Once again, guys, I'm Sam here with Windy City Production, and I'm wishing you a fantastic day.